Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickles with vinegar. First, select crisp, fresh cucumbers, ideally small to medium in size. Wash them thoroughly and trim the ends. Next, gather your pickling spices, such as dill, garlic, and mustard seeds, which add wonderful flavor. Ensure all your equipment is clean and ready for use before you begin the brining process. Creating the perfect brine is key to delicious pickles. A common ratio is 1 part vinegar to 1 part water, but you can adjust this to your taste. For every cup of liquid, add about 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. A small amount of sugar can also be included to balance the acidity and improve the texture of your pickles, making them crispier. Once your brine is ready, it's time to pack your jars. Arrange the cucumbers snugly, adding any desired spices like dill sprigs or garlic cloves. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are fully submerged, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Seal the jars with lids and rings, then process them in a boiling water bath for about 10 minutes to ensure proper sealing and preservation. After processing, let your pickles cool completely. For the best flavor, allow them to cure for at least 2 weeks before opening. This resting period allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Store unopened jars in a cool, dark pantry for up to 1 year. Once opened, keep your delicious homemade pickles in the refrigerator and enjoy them within 2 months for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.